Have you ever wondered what the internet actually is? Imagine a massive network connecting all the computers worldwide, like a giant web. That's the internet. It allows computers to share information quickly, no matter where they are. Think about it like this. When you send a message to your friend overseas, it's like sending a letter. But instead of using the postal service, you use the internet. The internet is a powerful tool that has revolutionized how we communicate, learn, and access information. It's a complex system, but understanding the basics is easier than you might think. Let's dive in and explore how this amazing technology works. Now, let's talk about servers. Imagine giant warehouses storing tons of information, pictures, videos, websites, and more. These warehouses are like servers. They are powerful computers that store and manage data. When you access a website, your computer sends a request to the server where that website's information is stored. Think of it as ordering a book from the library. The library server finds your book website and sends it to you. Without servers, the internet wouldn't exist. They are the backbone of the internet, working tirelessly to provide us with the information we need. The next time you browse the web, remember those hard-working servers storing and delivering the content you see. We've talked about servers storing information, but how does that information travel across the internet to reach your computer? That's where routers come in. You can think of routers as traffic directors for data. They help direct information packets, which we'll discuss later, to their correct destinations. Just like traffic lights ensure smooth traffic flow, routers ensure data travels efficiently across the internet. They prevent data collisions and ensure that information reaches its intended destination quickly and reliably. Routers are essential for a seamless online experience. Whether you're streaming a movie, attending an online meeting, or simply browsing the web. Remember those letters we talked about earlier? Well, when you send a message or request information online, your data is broken down into smaller pieces called data packets. These packets are like individual envelopes, each containing a piece of the overall message. They travel across the internet, hopping from one router to another until they reach their destination. Once all the packets arrive, they're reassembled into the original message or file. This process happens in milliseconds, making the internet incredibly fast and efficient. But how do these packets know where to go? That's where IP addresses come in. Every device connected to the internet, whether it's your computer, smartphone, or a server, has a unique IP address, like a digital home address. Routers use these IP addresses to guide data packets to the right destination. It's like a GPS for the internet, ensuring your data takes the quickest and most reliable route. Now, let's talk about protocols. Protocols are the rules and standards that govern how data is transmitted and received over the internet. One of the most important protocols is the Transmission Control Protocol (TCP), which ensures that data packets are delivered accurately and in the correct order. Another key protocol is the Internet Protocol IP, which handles addressing and routing. Together, they form TCP/IP, the foundation of internet communication. Finally, let's not forget about browsers and DNS domain name system. When you type a website name like www.google.com into your browser, the DNS translates that human-readable name into an IP address that computers can understand. This allows your browser to connect to the correct server and retrieve the website you're looking for. Without DNS, We'd have to memorize long strings of numbers instead of simple website names. But how do you actually access the internet in the first place? This is where internet service providers, ISPs, come into play. ISPs are the companies that provide you with access to the internet, whether it's through cable, fiber, satellite, or mobile data. Your ISP is the bridge between your device and the vast network of servers and routers that make up the internet. When you connect to the internet, your ISP assigns your device an IP address and routes your data to and from the wider internet. Without ISPs, we wouldn't be able to connect to this global network. So, to sum it up, the internet is a vast network of interconnected computers, servers, and routers that work together to share information. Servers store and deliver data. Routers direct traffic. And protocols ensure everything runs smoothly. ISPs provide the gateway for us to access this incredible network. It's a complex system, but it's designed to be fast, reliable, and easy for us to use. The next time you send a message, stream a video, or browse the web, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology behind it. The internet is more than just a tool, it's a global network that connects us all, making the world smaller and more accessible than ever before. All right, I hope you now have a clear understanding of what the internet is and how it works. This is episode 1 of this series, How Tech Works. And I am very much sure you wouldn't like to miss any of the upcoming episodes. Trust me, they're gonna shock you. So, if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friend. See you on Protect Tips again next time, and goodbye for now.